Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today let's take a look at the Wakelet Extension. This is a pretty cool tool. As you can see down here, it says it can save web pages without leaving the tab. You can edit items before adding them to your bookmarks. So what it really does is it helps us integrate what we're looking at into Wakelet. So as you can see, I've already got this installed in my extension toolbar right up here. And again, if you have to pin it, you click that puzzle piece and then you can pin or unpin the extension as needed. So when I open a new window, my new tab is going to look a little different because it has all of that Wakelet stuff already there. But it also has all of my tabs here. And if I move my video just a little bit, you can see if I was doing research or preparing for a class, I can actually create a collection with all of the tabs that I had open. So Wakelet's going to do all of the work and put it all together. All I have to do is add the cover image, the information, make it look beautiful. And that's like a package I'm ready to give to my students or my colleagues or whoever. So that's pretty cool. The other thing you can do is with these open tabs. So I have like this finally rich text in Google Classroom. So we are able to use bold, italics, all of those things in our Google Classroom. So I might want to say, you know what? I want to share that in this online learning collection. So I can drag and drop that into there. Same for like Catlin Tucker's blog post. If we're talking about streamlining student questions in a concurrent classroom, I might say, oh, that one sounds like it would be great for simultaneous learning. So I'm going to drop that in there. Now, the other thing the extension does is if you're on Twitter and you find something that you're like, oh my gosh, like Matt Miller just tweeted this novel HyperDocs 25 ready to use units for your class. When I scroll down, do you see this amazing little icon here? It's already in my Twitter. So I click and I can add it to any of those collections with one click. So that is the Wakelet extension. If you don't want it to look this way, you can, if you want to turn off your Wakelet tab, you can find out how it looks a little trippy when you start using it, but I am quickly falling in love with this. This is a much faster way for me to organize resources. So if I wanted to add something to a shared Wakelet, it's just a drag and a drop. If I want to create a Wakelet, I can put all of my tabs together and then just create that collection with one click. It's pretty amazing. So make sure you check it out. And if you have any other questions or video suggestions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.